Hey guys, as you notice, I'm not in the garage this time. I'm actually in my kitchen. I ordered something that's going to help me a lot on the whole car build. My father-in-law was nice enough to loan me his welder. I forgot, like a moron, to get his welding helmet. So I went on Amazon, found a relatively inexpensive auto-darkening helmet. It's like $32, I think. It's a Dekopro. So we're going to open it up and see what it's all about. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but and another box. There we go. The Deco. I don't know, how do you guys pronounce that? It's got the looks like an Autobot emblem on there, so that's kind of cool. Let's see what this is. That's just the box size. I thought that was something about the helmet. So let's see what we got. I hope they sent me the right one, because I didn't want just a regular old black welding helmet. Oh yeah, check that out. Get the plastic off here. There it is, guys. Got the flaming skull chains. Looks like there's an adjustment on the side, which is awesome. I used to actually weld for a living. It really sucked having to take your helmet off to adjust it every time. So that is a very welcome change. It does come with an extra front face shield, and it looks like it's got some instructions here. And they are in English, so that's awesome. Happy Series, Vogue Series, Mega Series. I don't know which series this is. I'll have to do some more looking into that. But looks like the instructions are pretty straightforward. You know, I mean, if any of you guys have messed with one of these before, it's all pretty simple. You've got your delay there and your sensitivity there. You know, how long it takes it to darken, and how bright the light has to be to darken. I'm assuming that this knob here is actually your different shades for from lighter to darker. So, like I said, that's really cool that it has that. I'm going to use this thing for the next few days. Check it out, see what I think about it. I didn't look to see if there were any other reviews before I bought this. I know I should have. But I just needed something cheap, and I needed something that was going to work. I'm not welding professionally anymore. This is just going to be, you know, a hobby helmet. As long as it does what I need it to do, then that's all I really worry about. I'm not going to be welding 8, 10, 12 hours a day anymore. Maybe 30 minutes at a time, tops. So as long as this does that job, it's well worth the 30 bucks. Like I said, I will do a full review after I've used it for a few weeks. Just keep an eye on the channel, and I'll get back to you guys in a few days.